Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gift. If you're new, please subscribe and turn your post notification so you'll be alerted to my post. If you've been here, thank you for the love and support, and I appreciate you very much. So it's actually nighttime right now, and I'm actually gonna do my makeup, which is crazy, but we're gonna do this anyways. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys step by step. This is a simple makeup that I think will look cute and anyone can actually do. And mind you, I haven't done my makeup in 5 months. Yeah guys, I'm probably learning with you guys, but yeah, I'll show you guys every product that I'm used and how much it costs and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. When you do your makeup for the first time, make sure you moisturize your skin. Use your favorite or usual moisturizer. And next up, I am using the Baby Skin Primer. This was my first time ever using this primer, but it felt so good on my skin. I highly recommend it. Going up next is an eyebrow pencil. I do not know where I actually got this. I have had it for like 2 years now, but yeah. Use anything that you're comfortable using to do your eyebrows. You can purchase any eyebrow pencil at Descam or Clicks, so definitely go and check them out there. This is how I do my eyebrows. I like to brush them out after doing them. And I was actually singing to SZA, so yeah, I love this song, Snooze. But anyways, back to the makeup. Doing your eyebrows can be the first thing you do or the last thing you do. It doesn't really matter. Anything that you're comfortable doing, do it. Next up, I'm going with the Wet n Wild concealer. I really highly recommend you using any concealer that you want, but as a beginner you can use the Pro concealers because they are very affordable. Also, the Wet n Wild concealers are very affordable, so you can go for them as well. Filling my under eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. I have really dark under eyes, so this really helps to brighten up my face. When choosing the right concealer for your face, definitely go for 3 kinds of concealers. As you can see, I'm going with a different shade of color, and this is a bit lighter than the one that I placed. So the first one should be the same shade as your color, and the second one should be 2 shades lighter, and the third one a bit lighter than all of them. Blending is very key in makeup, so make sure that you blend until your hand is tired. So do not think that this is just a 2-minute thing. Blend until your hand falls off, okay? Definitely make sure that everything is well placed and you can barely see the makeup there. So yeah, make sure everything is blended in. Go over the places that you went through and make sure that everything is blended in very well. And yeah, just blend. So I'm still using the Wet n Wild concealer, but this one is in a shade that is a bit my color. But yeah, I am using it to draw in my eyebrows. As you guys saw, I drew my eyebrows and brushed them, but didn't conceal them. So I was just doing the last part that was needed. Yeah, make sure that you clean up your eyebrows and make sure that they look more natural, you know. Make sure that they don't look all messy. Here I'm just blending everything in, making sure everything is blended well. I haven't put foundation yet, so this is just me blending all the concealer in, and so far it looks so good. Everything is blended in and I just love the look already. I'm using the Yardley Stay Fast foundation. I have done a review on this before, so definitely go and check it out. But yeah, I completely love this foundation. My forehead is definitely lighter than my whole face, but I will fix that with some darker shade, but you guys will see that. I'm just blending everything in here. I'm combining the foundation with the concealer, making sure everything is blended in, that there's no spots that are not covered in any makeup right here. Make sure you blend until your hand falls off or you get tired, because this is work, baby. This is work. So make sure that you put in the work and it would look definitely nice. Like everything would look put together when you're done. I went in with a bit of concealer to light up my under eyes. You definitely don't have to do this, but I just chose to because I felt like I needed some brighter, light under them. They weren't bright enough for me, but you can definitely skip this. If you want more light, just add a bit more concealer as I did. For contour, I'm using the Fit Me foundation. You can use contour, but I do use a foundation that is a darker shade because if you do not know, they are very affordable because dark foundations are mostly on the affordable side. You can find them at 30 Rand or even mostly less than 100 Rand. So you can really save on that, and they are the same as contour. They work the same, they do the same thing. So I very, very much recommend them. You can save a lot of money with that, and they work perfectly, honestly. So there are a lot of ways to contour, but then I prefer as a beginner to contour your forehead and your cheek bones and also your neck, because not your neck but your jawline, because that's where it's needed to actually blend in with your face and combine the foundation with your skin tone. Put a generous amount, do not put a lot. As you can see, I'm putting bits and bits as I go so that I am making sure that it's not too much on my face and everything looks natural. So as a beginner, I advise you to do that until you know exactly which amount you want. To set my face, I'm using the loose powder from Yardley. This is so amazing. I love it. So using a powder, when you're setting your face, you set exactly where you put the concealer. So there are two ways to actually set your face. The first one is taking a bit of powder and dabbing it on the spots where you put the concealer. And then when you see that it's set, you can then put the setting spray. The second way is taking a lot of powder and putting it exactly where the concealer is, and this is called baking. So you put a lot of powder exactly where the concealer is and you let it sit for a few minutes, and yes, it's a bit too much, but then while it's sitting, I am doing my lips. So I am taking an eye pencil or a lip liner to line up my lips, and then I'm just blending it in with my lips just like that and going in again until I feel like it's good. You can buy this any way you want. The next step, you can use a lip gloss, lip therapy, or a lipstick if you want, whatever you're comfortable with. For me right now, I'm using a red lip gloss if I'm not mistaken. I haven't used this in a while. Literally, I've been using lip therapy for some time now, but yeah, I used a red one and then a pink one on the middle to make it a bit more lighter and bring out the pop because it was a bit dark. Then after that, our baking is done. You just dust off the excess powder, and yo, look how good it looks. Like, my under eyes are bright and my chin is bright, my nose is bright, my forehead is lighter, like everything is popping. The places where it's supposed to pop, it's popping. Just like that, we are literally done with everything, and the last step is a setting spray. So this one I actually got at Shiny, and even Discount or Clicks you can find it. So I absolutely love this setting spray because look how it blended my makeup with my skin. Literally, my makeup looks more skin-like and not bakey or whatever. But yeah, I absolutely love the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am so happy with my makeup. Make sure you subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Can't focus on me.